Hello, this is Michael Tully with the Law Office of Bernard Tully, and I'm here to talk with you today about one of the interesting cases I've been working on that I thought might be interesting to the viewers. Well, let me first start off with the golden rule of insurance company, which is to take as much money from you as possible while paying you the least amount in return when you need it. So, the case I'm talking about, it's a motor vehicle accident where our client was the front seat passenger. So her vehicle is driving down the road, and then the vehicle driving in front of her, the driver is drunk and high, I think. So he makes a U-turn in the middle of the roadway. No reasonable explanation for it. That forces our car to avoid the collision, but was eventually struck. The collision forced them down a roadway, down an embankment, hit a tree, it caught on fire. So pretty serious collision. The problem is that when we initiated suit against the driver of the vehicle that caused this, who made the U-turn in the roadway, there was 2 passengers in the vehicle as well as a front seat passenger, so 3 total in addition to our client. So that's 4 people who have a claim against this driver. The problem is that the driver has such a minimal policy, only $25.50, that we have to somehow divide the $50,000 among 4 people that are severely injured. So in a situation like that, when you realize that your injuries are severe, but you don't, there isn't enough insurance coverage to cover it from the third party, you file an underinsurance claim, and the underinsurance claim always follows the vehicle you're in. So we filed an underinsurance claim with the insurance company of our driver who didn't cause the accident. But these insurance companies are sneaky. They always are trying to delay. So eventually when they offer you pennies on the dollar, you're willing to accept it as if they're doing you a favor. So the underinsurance is saying we're not going to pay out anything until the third party case is resolved, but the third party case isn't going to get resolved in the foreseeable future because 1, our client's the only one that has an attorney, and 2, in order for the case to settle, all the parties have to agree upon it, and 3, we don't know all the injuries of the other people. So there's no way there's ever going to be an agreement between the parties who aren't represented by an attorney and us, because we'll never agree on a fair amount. So that's why we have to pursue the underinsurance claim. This is also a good lesson for you to get as much underinsurance as you can. But there's still issues with it, just like what I'm describing now. They want to use the unfortunate situation that we're dealing with the third party, the impossibility of us reaching a settlement in the near future, to say, oh, we're not going to do anything till the third party case is done. So now our only option is to file a lawsuit against, I don't want to ruin anything, State Farm, our favorite. They always seem to pop up, saying they've been acting in bad faith in handling our claim. And to do that, we have to show that there's no reasonable basis for them to deny our claim. And their offer currently is, on its face and objectively too low. So that's what we have to do. You always want to have underinsurance because you never know what the third party is going to have, but this is a good way to protect yourself. But I promise you, underinsurance, they're still insurance, and they still want to screw you over. So that's why you need us to go fight for you. Anyways, I hope this helps. Hope everyone's doing well today, and all is going well. So thank you.